Austin A35 has nice upholstery, but the underlying padding and support system leaves a lot to be desired. All my other old cars, Morris Minor, etc., these straps ran in both directions, provided a lot more support. These particular straps are notorious for breaking. They just don't hold up very well. The back also is collapsed. I've got this up on a workbench. The back also provides no support. So I'm going to pull the upholstery off of the back of it first and see what's going on in there, because I know I can bolster the base of it here without much problem, but I'm not sure what's going on in the back. I'm really pleased that this assembly uses these metal clips rather than hog rings. I hate hog rings. These clips just go around the material and fasten it to the frame of the chair. Here's why I have no back support. The straps are broken. I can easily make some new straps and attach them in here. But I think I want to also add some foam, because if you look at the front, it's all kind of collapsed. I noticed there's also a strap down here at the bottom that's not doing anything. So I've got my work cut out for me. Here's my first homemade strap. I'm making them out of EPDM. I think that's the abbreviation. Roofing material that's very tough. Has very little stretch to it. But I've used pop rivets to do the ends of it. And I don't know if I'm going to go back and use the original hardware on some of the other ones I built. This one needed to be a little bit wider, but I think it'll serve the purpose just fine for my first strap. Okay, there's the first one in place. Hooked in. Like I said, I'm going to make the next one a little bit wider. But I think I'm going to stick with the pop rivets. I really like that as a method for securing these ends, as opposed to these bent wire things that they've got in here. Two down. This one's, like I said, is wider, and it's, I was fairly successful at measuring it, so it's nice and taut. So I think this is going to work well. It's amazing how much this old strap has stretched. Probably 1.5 inches beyond its original length. I gotta say, it looks better and it's much more comfortable. You got much more support through the whole back. I also put a rubber diaphragm under the front, the lower seat cushion, which brought the front up here. The leg support is much better now. ESM sells that diaphragm as the repair scheme for Morris Minors, so they're readily available.